Sometimes all you need is a simple thin case, and the Spigen Thin Fit is exactly that. There's absolutely nothing fancy about it, but it nails the basics and has a few tricks up its sleeve that put it a notch above the competition. Design-wise, the Thin Fit for the Pixel 8a isn't much to look at. It's a thin, form-fitting TPU case that slips easily onto the phone. However, what you can't see is that there's also a rigid polycarbonate material in the back for a little extra drop protection. The camera bump is completely covered, but the design element is still there. You won't see much of your phone's natural color, but at least you can still tell it's a Pixel phone. The texture on the back is soft and smooth, with just enough grip to be useful. It's not as soft as a silicone case, but it's also not as rubbery, so it slips much more easily into a pocket. The matte finish also helps prevent smudges and fingerprints, although they can still show up if you have particularly dirty or oily hands. The raised buttons on the sides are nice and clicky, and overall the case is very comfortable to hold. The raised lip protects the screen, but doesn't make it difficult to use swipe gestures. That said, I did find it a little more difficult to remove than most TPU cases. Being a thin case, you have to temper your expectations when it comes to drop protection. It does have Spigen's air cushion technology, but that will only somewhat protect your device when it falls directly on the corner. The other big downside here is a lack of color. I love all the beautiful colorways the Pixel 8a series comes in, but the Thin Fit only comes in black. Maybe this won't bother you, but I think it's always nice to have at least a few options. Overall, the Spigen Thin Fit is a good choice that won't break the bank as long as you know what you're getting into. At $17, it's a bit more expensive than other thin cases, but the added PC backing does make it feel quite a bit more substantial. For similar options, check out the Cyril Ultra Color, which is a bit thicker but has a similar design and comes in far more colors, as well as the official Google case, which again has more colors but costs quite a bit more. Learn more about all three options at the links in the description below.